So I'm Dave DeVaugh with Agora, and I am with one of TechCrunch Disrupt's challenge winners, Ed from ePage. Ed, tell us all about what you did.
Sure. So I took on the TomTom Challenge to build an augmented reality app. And what I looked at was the fact that augmented reality is going to change the world landscape and affect our lives as much as the smartphone did 10 years ago, but in ways that we can't even imagine today. So if we can get started on using the technology, we have a leg up when that technology is available to put in our face, put in our ears and such. So I wanted to be able to explore the world around me in an augmented way, and query it in a nice natural interface. So I wrote this app called Around. There's my winner.
Look at those winnings.
Yes. So what we're looking at here is an augmented reality view of the world, and I have a voice-enabled interface to talk to it. So let's say, hey, it's coming to dinner time. Let's go out and get some pizza. Pizza. Okay, it heard something else, but that's okay. This will work either way. I can basically, let's go again. Pizza. Okay, I found some pizza places around.
Fantastic, I'm hungry.
One over there. I've heard some good things about 00.
00 is one of the best pizzas in town.
Nice. So here it is. It's about 175 meters that way. I can now go talk to, so I'm going to need an assistant who's going to be at the location. I'm going to video call them. Okay.
So now I'm going to be at the pizza restaurant.
That's right.
And I'm going to be taking the order. So what kind of pies could we get for you today?
Well, let's see. I've got about 50 of my friends here. We're going to come on over. How long do you think the wait might be?
I know you like your pizza fast, so I think it will take about an hour and a half for us to deliver 50 pizzas.
Well, you know what? It's so good. We'll wait for it. Looking forward to it. Thank you much.
Fantastic.
And that was an Agora video chat, connecting that all up, and then you can go and get directions and such, and so that's all part of the package. And so that is Around, coming to glasses near you in the next few years.
So Ed, how did you find working with the Agora APIs? Was this easy to integrate, or was it difficult?
So I was very fortunate to have done an Agora hackathon a little while ago. And so that really gave me an in-depth introduction to what the technology was, how to integrate it. I took a different tact in that hackathon, so to repurpose it for this one, at least I understood the basics. So yeah, it was really straightforward to separate out my components and get the video chat. The one for the merchant is just a small controller because I really leveraged the technology that Agora gave to me. The hard part was putting all the pins down and stuff. I would say the video was easy integration.
Well, fantastic. Congratulations on your winnings.
Thank you so much.
Way to go. You should buy us pizza.
That's right. 50 is coming away.
50 pizzas on the way. I'm Dave DeVaugh again from TechCrunch 2018. Thanks for stopping by, and congrats again.
Thank you so much.